Good morning. It's been working up to Christmas songs from a water dispenser machine thing. Sprays water all over the streets. Our Chinese adventure is nearly over. After cycling over 6,000 kilometers from Singapore, we are now at the Vietnam-China border and ready to enter country number 6. So this is our last day in China. Here we go. Last time we're going to see all these Chinese flags hanging up all on the side of these shops. That is us leaving China.
Yeah.
This is the Friendship Bridge. Let me just show you around. So just here, on your right, that is China. On your left, that is Vietnam. You can see these steps down at the bottom. I think they used to be used to smuggle people across the border. Just as you do, that woman's just got a bag of cocks. Ah, where are you from?
Jiangxi.
Jiangxi. Ah.
Jiangxi. Qinghang Mountains, Lusan Mountains.
Ah.
A beautiful province.
Oh yes.
Wow. We've cycled through Yunnan,
Guizhou and Guangxi.
Yeah.
Crossing into any new country is always exciting. Vietnam, here we come. And here's Lucia entering Vietnam. How long we got, Lou, in Vietnam?
15 days, baby. Let's do it.
As we completely failed to exchange any currency on the Chinese side. Keep the noise down. Beep beep. We need to change some currency in Vietnam. So that's our first task. Xin chào. Do you do money exchange? Yeah. Just changed our money with a very dodgy street dealer. Black market. It's all in this paper bag right now. It feels strange being in a new country. It feels very different. Vietnam already, super friendly people. Hello! This looks fantastic. What we got, Lucia?
Rice and like a chicken and vegetable broth, which looks really good actually.
Looks meaty.
Oh, ooh, lots of different sauces and things. And some more chicken.
Very pleased with this meal, and I think it's time to put the phone down and dig in. Alright, bon appetit. You are Hull City? Hull City! Come on the Tigers!
Hull City!
Yes!
Oh, Jimmy!
Oh, so good. It's not often you see a random guy, Vietnamese guy, with a Hull City top on. For those that don't know, Hull City is the football team I support. I'm from a town 6 miles from Hull. Went to university in Hull. One of my greatest moments in life was watching Hull City get promoted to Premiership.
Scorer, Fraser Campbell. A slip by Lewis Carey. Windass! Quite simply, destined to be from Team Windass.
Early morning breakfast. As far as healthy starts to the day goes, this is pretty good.
You feel misunderstood. Say what's
Hey Joe! Everyone likes to say hello in Vietnam.
like-minded if we could, but that's not the case.
Hello! Xin chào!
The wind will turn, don't be concerned. I can learn. When we end deciding games, and we don't pull them both ways.
Just been cycling all morning.
There we
found
go.
Some lovely
Hello.
new friends. Hello! For these guys, one of them's just paid for our food, which was really kind of him. And he's just come over. Oh, thank you so much. Brilliant.
What's going on?
Oh no, this is not good. He's gone for it. Hello. We're just getting into our finishing town for the day. There's 3 hotels in this town. Let's try and find somewhere to stay. Could I have 2, please? Let's buy some dragon fruit again.
Noodles, this time chicken. It smells amazing, like the broth.
I think they call it pho, don't they?
And these are the flat, big, flat noodles. Different herbs and lettuce in there.
Herbs.
Herbs.
And as you can see from behind us, it's already getting pretty quiet and rural. This is how big the road is that we're cycling on. Very thin. We've got 200 kilometers left to go till we get to Hanoi, which is our big aim really. And we're going to try and do that in 2 days, which is achievable, but it'll be a bit of hard work. Hello! Xin chào! Xin chào! Xin chào! Cheers guys.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, cool. Good to meet you. To Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Hanoi. Them quiet back roads have absolutely finished. There's our first road accident we've seen. We don't see any casualty there, so either she's okay. I think it's a she because I see some woman's shoes on the floor. That's never good. See shoes fall off in a car crash. Not surprised, the drivers on this road and in general in Vietnam are the worst I've ever seen. They're just absolute morons overtaking all the time. They think by beeping and flashing their lights makes it safe. So I've got a new addition to the team. Look at this! Builder's jacket. It's £1.68, 50 dong, 50,000 dong. As soon as we're going into a city, I thought it'd be a bit wise to be seen. Lucia is already looking like a builder with a proper Chinese worker's jacket on. Xin chào!
I've fallen in love with this city already.
We've made it to Hanoi. This video. This video may or may not stay in the final edit. Who knows? Right, should we get some food?
Let's get some food in Hanoi. Get some food in Hanoi.
You know this is going in there. Such a weirdo.